and I've used it and I loved it. Oh, it's like a Vaseline texture. It's obsessed. It's so pretty, you guys. Viral for a reason. These are very expensive, but this one's very gentle. The tint is not that much. It's Patrick Starr's brand. Like actually sunset के जो colors होते हैं ना sky में वैसा ही लग रहा है. Like exactly like that.
Yeah, you can come and watch me drink my morning coffee, yeah.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am sharing with you all everything that I shopped in US. This is part 1 of my US haul. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा shopping की है. मैंने आप लोगों को जाने से पहले ही बोला था कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा shopping करूँगी. And I've held true to my promise. I've purchased a lot of items. Today I'm only sharing with you beauty items जो मैंने खरीदे हैं, जैसे कि skin care हो गया, makeup हो गया, and जितने भी fashion purchases है या ऐसे random purchases है, वो सारा मैं part 2 में आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी because there are a lot of fashion purchases also. That's why I decided to split it because in makeup I feel like you all want to see the application of products. सिर्फ दिखाओ तो क्या ही मतलब haul video हुआ, because you will just see कि हाँ सारा ने खरीदा है, but I wanted to show you कि सारा को कैसा लगा, how does it apply, like a real time try on. So I'm going to try to swatch as many products as I can, do a try on video. I also feel like this will be the last chit chat get ready with me for you all this year, because I'm also headed to an event after this, and I've taken a few questions like a last Q&A of 2024 on Instagram. I'll chit chat with you all, share some makeup newbies. Maybe they are not in India yet. Most of them are not in India yet, but जब आएंगे so you know कि अगर खरीदना है नहीं खरीदना है या कोई रिश्तेदार से मंगाना है नहीं मंगाना है, all of that. Okay, so if you are interested to see some new and exciting makeup and skincare also, then continue watching. If this is the first time you've come on my channel, then hi, I'm Sarah. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sarah squad. I'm sure you'll love it here, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to you so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. Okay, first things first. मैं कौन सी दुकानों में गई थी? I've been to Sephora, of course you all know that. You all have seen my vlogs, you all know I went to Sephora. I went to Koreatown में Korean beauty stores also, because there was this entire area in New York which had like only Korean stores and Korean food and all, and really good collection. There was collection that we get in India only mostly, but थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा चीजें like ये cute clips that I've purchased, that's from the Korean shop over there. I also got another one I'll show you all in the next haul video, and then there were other purchases. So this is the I'm From Rice Toner. Now this Nykaa had sent me, even like in India it's available, and I've used it and I loved it, so I picked up another one over there. It was slightly cheaper in the US, so I got like a fresh bottle. It's so good, so good, very hydrating. Like honestly guys, मैं Korean skincare में पहले थी नहीं. आप लोगों में हमेशा बोलती थी there are very few Korean skincare products that suit me even after coming back to India, and it's just performing so well for me. आज मैं नई bottle खोल रही हूँ. There's another one in my bedroom which is the one I'm using right now, but it actually makes your skin like as if you've got like a filler, like literally like hydrated, plump, very plump. Like you look एकदम गोलू ऐसा plumpy skin हो जाएगी. बहुत ही अच्छा. मुझे पता नहीं था कि rice water toners could do that to your skin, but it actually explains that Korean glass skin concept very nicely. Since it's available on Nykaa, मैं इसका link आप लोग के लिए जो भी इंडिया में मिलता है मैं links आप लोग के लिए नीचे डाल दूंगी. So yeah, this is the first product I've got. It's very hydrating, and just like this ऐसा हाथ पे लो और skin में ऐसा press करो. Wait for some time and you'll see the magic happen. I was surprised and impressed at the response. When Nykaa sent it to me, I started using it and then I loved it so much. और मैं US लेके गई थी तो मैंने एक और बॉटल वहां से ले ली, and अब मेरे पास 2 है, which I'm sure कि मैं बहुत जल्दी खत्म कर दूंगी, because you end up using, like I like to layer it 2 times. I also have the Tony Moly's rice water toner, and I've used that also, but that didn't give me this much of an effect. So I thought, okay, rice water is not for me. I've honestly never given Korean skincare that much of a chance with my skin, because most of the times जो भी मैं try करती थी, it used to break me out. But lately, a lot of new brands which are coming out have products which are working in Indian weather also. Like this is a new brand. I've never even heard of this brand, I'm From, but it was like sold out in every store in Koreatown in New York. And then जब मुझे ये finally एक store में मिला, I was like, give it to me. So it's super hydrating, very like plumpy skin is what you will get after this. I love using it in the day, in the night. मैंने मैं bedroom में रखा है ताकि I use it that often. Love it. This is amazing. You can get your hands on this. Whatever skin type you are going to love this, because it doesn't make your skin chipchipa, oily, any of that feeling. The next skincare product I picked up was this. This is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment. Now Aquaphor मैंने बहुत लोगों से सुना है कि it is for very dry skin. They also use it on babies. That's how safe it is to use. It's a advanced therapy for dry, cracked or irritated skin, and it's clinically proven for sensitive skin. So I saw this huge tube in Ulta Beauty. That's another place I went, Ulta Beauty. So finally I went to Ulta Beauty. How cool is that? Like finally on a last day I went to Ulta and I was like, finally. Like I've been seeing it in New York. You don't see that much Ulta, but in LA आपको बहुत दिखेगा Ulta Beauty. But final day पे हम ऐसा ढूंढ के गए and we went and did, like मैंने तो ऐसा basket में चीजें खरीदा ली है without even looking at the price tag of things, and later I was like, I spent the most amount of money at Ulta Beauty. I picked up a lot of stuff. So this was also an Ulta Beauty purchase. I've actually seen Shweta Di rave about Aquaphor, and I'm like, okay, I'll get it because मेरी body type बहुत dry है. अभी ये सारी चीजें मैं आप लोगों के साथ पहली बार try कर रही हूँ. Oh, it's like a proper, it's like Vaseline texture. It's like petroleum jelly texture. It's not creamy. तो ये खाली cracks के लिए, like मैं अपनी heels पे लगा सकती हूँ because I have really cracked heels and dry elbows. And as brown skin, when you have dry skin, it starts to look ashy. तो मुझे बिल्कुल वो feeling of dry skin पसंद नहीं है. And I have a dry body type. My face is combination, but my body is very, very dry. So I think it's good for like my fingers, my hands, and my basically my heels. Got a big tube for dry cracked skin, cuts, and oh, it's like for cuticles जब dry हो जाते हैं, friction or minor burns, diaper rash, drool rash, chapped lips, and cracked heels and feet. Okay, so this is for really extreme dry conditions. I'm glad I got it because I have dry heels. Next, I picked up another skincare product that is super viral on Instagram. पूरे के पूरे मेरे Instagram feed पे भरा पड़ा है the Summer Fridays lip balm. I even did like a short on this. I am sure it will be up by now. मैंने दोनों भी lip balm आप लोग के लिए swatch किया है और ये वाला cherry वाला मैंने अभी लगा रखा है. These are very expensive. Like they're like $26 for each lip balm. But I picked up like 4. I picked 2 for me and I picked 2 for Sharon and Bonita also because it's so viral and we girls, we love our lip balms. And even Pooja said it's actually really good. Pooja was already using it and she was like, अच्छा है ले ले. I actually love them even more than the Rhode lip balms because I think they're just so much lighter in weight. Rhode ones थोड़े मोटे मोटे अप्लाई होते हैं, ये एकदम लाइट वेट अप्लाई होता है, very very hydrating and the pigment is nice. It's not super tinted. It will not give you like the cherry tint or anything on your, it's not tinted. It will give you slight tint but not a stain. It will not stay on your lips. But the hydration lasts a lot longer than any other lip balm I've ever used. You get a good quantity also. इसमें आपको 15 grams of product for $26. I mean, I'm not justifying the price tag, but if you don't want to look at the price tag of things and just pick up something, you can get, like, it's viral for a reason. It's not viral ऐसी मतलब कोई celebrity का brand है इसलिए. It's viral for a reason. It's actually a good product. I even like the brown sugar one because the smell on this is like so it's nostalgic. I'll tell you, there was some chocolate as a kid that used to smell like this. So nostalgic, like so caramelly yumminess. Very tasty, very tasty. That lip balm is like tasty. Okay, next I've purchased the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. I'm getting through skincare सबसे पहले आप लोग के लिए. This is the Cica Relief Calming Cleansing Balm. And if you've seen my Singapore haul, जब मैं January में Singapore गई थी, you know that I picked this up from Singapore and I used this the entire year. It literally just got over US जाने से पहले and इतना अच्छे से like थोड़े से amount से पूरा face अच्छे से cleanse हो जाता है. Sharon just checked that this is available on Nykaa, so now we can get it in India. Finally, it can easily put your Clinique Take the Day Off balm to rest because this one does not burn the eyes. Okay, Clinique Take the Day Off balm, as beautiful as that cleansing balm is, वो मेरी आंखों को इतना जलाता है, इतना burn sting करता है मेरी आंखों में जाके कि I immediately want to take micellar water and cleanse my face later. But this one's very gentle, very nicely cleanses your skin and it's superb. So when I saw it in Ulta Beauty, I picked up another one because मेरा just खत्म हो गया था and I knew I'm obsessed with it. And for me, cleansing balms are super useful because I use like remove my makeup every single day. If you're looking for a good sensitive skin cleansing balm, if you have sensitive eyes, then invest in this because ये आपको पूरा साल अच्छे से last करेगा. मैं तो रोज makeup लगाती हूँ when I was using this and still it lasted me a good 6.5 months. So love it. Absolutely obsessed with that one. Okay, I have a lot of lip products, but first I'm going to show you all this product that I have, जो Elf Cosmetics से है, and this is also available in India now. This is their Glow Reviver Lip Oil. Saw this in Ulta and Elf Cosmetics is super cheap abroad. Like this is I think $8 or $11. I don't know how much I paid. I will put it on the screen, but I picked up 3. Actually, I picked up 4. One I picked up for Tamanna, which I already gave her. I got her this shade. These people have TikTok now in US and Canada, and also Purnima was telling me कि ये shade में ये viral है, ये shade में ये viral है. Like पहले हमेशा TikTok पे चीजें viral हो जाती है beauty products में और फिर वो वीडियो Instagram पे आता है, फिर इंडिया में लॉन्च होता है, उसके बाद हमको पता चलता है कि क्या वायरल है. तो इसलिए इस बार जो भी कनाडा और यूएस में ऑलरेडी टिकटॉक पे वायरल था, मैंने ऑलरेडी खरीद लिया. क्या ठीक है, मैं इंडिया में वीडियोस बनाऊंगी, देन होपफुली लेटर आल्सो दोस वीडियोस विल वर्क फॉर मी. सो फॉर मी एवरीथिंग इज लाइक कंटेंट माइंडसेट आल्सो बिकॉज़ नोबडी नीड्स सो मेनी ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स. लेट्स बी रीजनेबल. सो आई गॉट दिस इन द शेड Jam Session. So I got this darker color, 2 in this color for me and for Tam, and I got 2 more shades for myself. I will mostly be giving you like a lip oil swatch of all the 3 on like a shorts video, yeah, a reel Instagram पे अगर आप मुझे follow करते हो. But right now I'll just put Jam Session to show you what this darker color looks like. I don't like the smell at all. It's very minty. The tint is not that much. Tint इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. I like the applicator. It's thick, but the color इतना ज़्यादा color आया नहीं ना lips पे. It's very like lightweight. I also got the Clinique Black Honey lip oil, and this one is available in India, but I think अभी sold out हो गया, limited edition था. So I picked it up in Ulta when I saw it, and this one stains your lips really nicely. Like I liked the color. Not long wearing though. It's like 2,500 in India also, and it's not long wearing. अगर आप लगाओगे उसका hydration 2-3 घंटे भी नहीं last करेगा, उसके बाद वापस आपको लगाने का मन करेगा. But उसका stain बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. Whenever I put this in videos, before I film my makeup videos, I always put this, and then all of you are asking what do you have on your lips. So this is Black Honey by Clinique. It's the lip oil. I think the lip balm is still available, but I have never tried that. This is the product I got. I have 2 more shades from the ELF Glow Reviver lip oil. If you're interested to see like dono ke swatches, this is the shade Red Delicious and Honey Talks. I'll do them in a reel for y'all. So that was everything that I got that I wanted to show y'all before I put on my makeup. And now for the makeup category, the first thing I picked up from Sephora, only one foundation because Mama has a lot of foundations. So I picked up the Ilias True Skin Serum Foundation, and I've heard again so many good things about this brand, but I've never had a chance to try it because I don't think they're available in Europe. At least jab tak main gayi thi, it wasn't there in any Sephora. This is what it looks like. I used it throughout my trip, like, because I got it on the 3rd or 4th day of my New York travel, and pure trip pe then I was using this foundation. Beautiful foundation. I'm gonna wear it today as well for y'all. The shade I picked up is SF 9.5 Bonaire. मैं actually पूरे mindset से गई थी कि I will pick up the Patrick Ta foundation, but I have this. Oops, I pumped out already. I wanted to try this product out सबसे पहले. This is Milani's Conceal Plus Perfect Sun Kissed Liquid Bronzing Drops. It looks identical to Drunk Elephant's liquid bronzing drops. If you're obsessed with beauty like I am, you know there's this very expensive brand in the US which is called Drunk Elephant, and वो skincare brand है, and they launched these bronzing drops that was again viral. Anything that Drunk Elephant launches goes viral across the internet, but it was so obnoxiously expensive. And then I saw this in Milani, and I was like, dupe, literal dupe, packaging dupe. And even मैंने जब हाथ पे swatch किया product dupe, so I was like, I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna use it. I'll see if it's there in India. This shade I got is 130 Dark. It's like a highlighter mixed with bronzer that you put before your makeup, so you get like that nice bronze tanned feel, because foundation लगाने के बाद you look like very chalky, so you get some dimension on your skin basically by doing this. And अगर आप देख रहे हो इतना dark skin shade है इसका, but it will fully blend into your skin and just give you like a tanning, like a self tan. And if you're deeper skin, you might feel, why do I need this? But actually adds some warmth to your face in general, and helps, like, because foundation लगाने के बाद तो एकदम flat लगता है ना face. So I'm going to use it for the first time, and I was excited to try this product. I've seen so many mostly paler complexion people buy these products because they don't have a tan and then they look very pale on camera when they put foundation. But I wanted to see as a brown skin how it looks on me. I really like the glow it gives. It's not overpowering, and there's a good amount of tan also. My forehead is already darker than my cheek area, so I'm not putting too much. Now I have my Ilia foundation, जो मैंने already use कर रखा है, so I know that I love it. And look at that skin-like feel you'll get. So lightweight, so full coverage. मैं आप लोगों को बोल रही थी कि I went with a full mindset कि मैं Patrick Ta का foundation खरीदूंगी, and मैं उसी mindset से गई थी अपने trip पे. But when I swatched it at the back of my hand, I didn't like it as much. It was feeling very silicone-y and comedogenic, and I felt like I would break out with that foundation. I wanted something skin-like and hydrating, especially for my trip in the US, क्योंकि वहाँ पे तो skin बहुत dry हो रखी थी. Then I swatched this, and इसमें there's a serum skin tint also you get in Ilia, but उसमें मेरा shade नहीं match हो रहा था. The shades were very off, and the undertones were not exactly my undertone. I didn't want something जिसमें mix and match करना पड़े, so then I picked this up. I'm very happy with this purchase. It looks and it wears well in India too. So if you want to get a good expensive foundation, you can call this from one of your relatives or something, because it's not yet available in India. Or I will also do one thing, that I will leave some dupes for y'all in the description box. So जो भी like मुझे लगता है कि it's affordable dupe. See, this Milani thing definitely makes your skin a lot darker and gives you that tan appearance. So if you are on the fairer complexion and you want that self tanning, I think these bronzing drops are great. I also see myself use it क्योंकि मैं bronzer में बहुत चोर हूँ. I don't do contouring and bronzing खुद से. So this is easier, you know, just like apply this and then fully apply foundation and then skip on bronzer totally. My back of my hand is fully become like bronze, tanned goodness, just because I applied this. I also feel like this would be great on your legs and your hands, because not everybody's hands, my hands are not the same shade as my face, but my face is lighter, so actually I'm happy with the tan. Okay, beautiful skin like finish. Love this foundation. इसके dupes या इसके जैसा जो भी finish का मेरे पास है जो इंडिया में available है, I will leave like close enough references for y'all नीचे. Next for concealer, I picked up 2 concealers. The first one I got is from Sephora. This is the Kosas Revealer Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. Now if you go to see, it's exactly that. Okay, it's super creamy and brightening, but I didn't like it as much. It's expensive. It's almost I think $28. The shade I got is 07N. So it's a neutral undertone, but it's very thick. Like मेरे लिए बहुत thick लग रहा है ये, and crease बहुत easily हो जाता है. It creases super soon. I did try using it in US. I didn't enjoy it that much, so I kept it aside because there are so many much better concealers in this price point. This was viral. A lot of YouTubers said they loved it. Unfortunately, मेरे लिए काम नहीं किया. I don't even have that many creases under my eyes. I just have one, but it emphasized that crease so much, and it is a nice brightening shade though. I am not that big a fan. Like I will have to mix this with something even more lightweight and then see how it works for me. Like I'll have to make this work because it's so expensive. So not a fan. Now ELF का Camo Concealer मैंने आज तक try नहीं किया है, so I picked it up. ये बहुत पहले इंडिया आ चुका है. This I got in the shade Tan Neutral / Neutral Bronze, and let's try this out for the first time today and see how it looks. अगर अच्छा लगा मुझे, then you can get it easily because it's available in India, and ELF के prices US में are of course much better. This is a nice peachy undertone, and I think because I have a tan now, it's looking good. Like it's got some color correction properties to it. I mean, ELF killed it in 2024. Okay, I have to say that every single product ELF was launching was going viral because they were just duping some or the other brand left, right, and center. And whenever it came to India, also I was like, wow, like the formula is actually really good, and the price point is not that much even in India. It's like falling in the 900,000, 1,500 price point. So the dupe is worth it because the products they're duping are like 3,000, 4,000 rupee worth products they are duping. So that's a nice coverage. See, this is what, like, it's lightweight. It's not heavy. The Kosas concealer, I feel like it's super heavy under my eyes. For me, it feels like that. You all know I love my Huda Beauty Faux Filter concealer, and it's super lightweight and full coverage. So I still, like, I've finished it. I want a new one. That's how good it is. I'm gonna conceal my eyes because I will do eyeshadow. मैंने कुछ नया नहीं लाया है, but I will do eyeshadow. Okay, I like this concealer. See how lightweight and full coverage cancelled out my darkness, and beautiful. Very, very lightweight. अगर आप नजदीक से देख सकते हो, you can see it's super seamless blending हुआ है इसके साथ. Love it. I'm gonna pick up the first question that I've gotten on Instagram. This is like a year-end Q&A. So what is the one thing that you regret not doing this year? What is the one thing I regret not doing this year is, I think, focusing on my YouTube channel and Instagram also. I think ये साल मैंने content के लिए इतनी कुछ strategy नहीं अपनाई. I just kept going. Like the first half of the year was all about my Pack XRR launch and my house being made. So I was so invested in both of those things के जो भी content उसके साथ निकल रहा था मैं सिर्फ निकालती गई. Like of course you all enjoyed the homemaking vlogs and they got great views and everything, but I feel like there was no strategy to it. It was just like, okay, ठीक है, जैसा चल रहा है चलने दो, जैसा चल रहा है चलने दो. Even on Instagram I used to not have time at all because whenever I was getting some time इधर कुछ हो जाता था ये घर पे, and then I would have to leave my house and come here, leave my house. Plus there's a lot of compliance, right? Like मैं home loan के लिए apply की थी, तो वो सारी property के papers, ये घर के papers, rental घर expire हो रहा था उसके papers, plus टीम भी है उनको भी शिफ्ट करना है, सामान शिफ्ट करना है. तो मैं बहुत उस सब में, मतलब गृहस्थी की चीजों में बिजी थी. एंड वी हैड आवर Pack XRR launch also, which had a lot of deliverables / videos that I had to do for the brand. So I was focused towards that, and whenever we had to shoot content like beauty content also, we would go to cafes. जो बहुत मगजमारी था. Like ऐसा easy नहीं था कि हाँ ठीक है शूट करना है, बैठ जाओ रूम में और शूट कर लिया. जो पहले I had that convenience, right, in 2023. So yeah, this year I think for me numbers wise was not great, following wise or anything, because I didn't spend any time strategizing. Then in the second half of the year I was in my phase of, okay, I need to travel now because saal khatam ho raha and I've not been anywhere. So then I started planning my travels, and then travel content aa raha tha, so back to back travel ho gaya. So I think somewhere there I lost my strategy, and you all also saw it. You all were like, views maza nahi aa raha hai, ye dekhne maza nahi aa raha hai, ye aisa karo, ye waisa karo. So now I will, like, in 2025 I think my biggest goal is ke strategize before you post, not just post what's happening. And inshallah I will be able to do that because abhi I have a house. I think that was the biggest time consuming process. वो एक सिर्फ time consuming process नहीं था, वो also मेरा घर था, तो मेरे पास stability नहीं थी जब तक घर नहीं था. तो अब क्योंकि थोड़ी like जगह की stability, I feel like I can work towards my goals and strategy towards my social media platforms and actually know कि हाँ okay, I have to do this and I have to do that. I'm still very grateful, mashallah, that we've grown 4 lakhs, I think almost 5 lakhs since 1 million. Like I hit 1 million in May 2023 and it's been only 1.5 years and we've got like 4 lakh more, but I feel like I could do even better. You know how I am, I can push myself. So it's been good. It's not been bad, but I feel like I could do better. Strategy wise and planning wise and content wise. Like मुझे beauty content बनाने बहुत मजा आता है और मेरा बहुत मन भी था मालूम है करने का, ऐसा बैठ के आप लोग के साथ चीजें शेयर करने. अब भी मैं Instagram पे बहुत कर रही हूँ ब्यूटी वीडियोस. जब से मैं यूएस से आई हूँ मेरा वो जील वापस आ गया कि हाँ मैंने इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदे, अब मुझे करना है, ट्राई करना है, सबको बताना है. एंड इंडियन ब्रांड्स भी इतना कुछ लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, सो आई वांट टू बी लाइक ऑन टॉप ऑफ थिंग्स. सो आई हैव दैट मोटिवेशन राइट नाउ एंड इंशाल्लाह आई होप टू कीप इट फॉर 2025 overall also. Next is, how are you feeling if you could define this year in one word? Chaotic. This year was chaotic to say the least. I think it was so challenging overall since the start. कुछ भी अच्छा हो रहा था ना मेरे साथ, अगले ही दिन कुछ बुरा हो जाता था. लाइक इतना बुरा हो जाता था कि उससे रिकवर करने 2-3 दिन लगते थे, फिर वापस कुछ अच्छा होता था, फिर बहुत अच्छा होता था, फिर वापस बहुत बुरा हो जाता था. Like I was like, can I catch a break? Like I was not able to catch a break this year at all, and I am still very grateful. You all know me. I have a very positive mindset. माशाल्लाह, I'm grateful. मेरे पास बहुत है, अल्लाह ने बहुत दिया है. मतलब मैं ड्रामा ही मत दो लाइफ में, मुझे कुछ अच्छा भी मत दो, कुछ बुरा भी मत दो. Let it be दाल चावल for a few days, but it was not दाल चावल at all ever in my life in 2024. It was very chaotic. Yeah, it was mad chaotic. Like even the house, इंसान घर खरीदता है, बोलता है चलो अभी जिंदगी सेट हो जाएगी थोड़ी. नहीं, घर खरीदा, फिर उसके बाद घर बनाने की दिक्कतें आने लगी. वो दिक्कतें खत्म ही नहीं हो रही थी. Like a good amount till May we was just making this house, you know, we were not even done making this house. And even today when you live in a house, something or the other keeps going wrong and problems keep coming up. Anyway, love the ELF concealer. I'm going to link this for you all नीचे. Obsessed. My shade is tan neutral. सारे shades आप लोग के लिए नीचे हो गए. Very nice concealer on a budget also, I'm sure. Next I'm using the Morphe's setting powder. This is the mini bacon set. ये मुझे फ्री मिला अल्टा ब्यूटी में. इतनी ज्यादा पैसे खर्चे करने के बाद they were like, ये लो, ये फ्री में आपके लिए. I don't think Morphe as a brand is doing that well. उनका काउंटर भी बहुत ब्ला सा था. जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स थे भी डिस्प्ले में, I was very excited actually to shop from Morphe because once upon a time it was a great brand. One of the first eyeshadow palettes I ever got was the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette, but now I think the brand is dying and it's not doing that great. They had a lot of exciting products. I even purchased this overreaction holographic primer from them, which I will do an Instagram reel on to see because it's super insanely holographic and I want to see like a nice astronomical eye look या ऐसा कुछ करके इसको ट्राई करूंगी मैं. तो ये मैंने अलग से रखा है वीडियो के लिए. But yeah, this is the Morphe mini bake set that I got. So let's try the baking powder. उनके जितने भी products display में भी थे ना, ऐसे ब्ला से लग रहे थे ना. If I was swatching it also, I was not liking it that much. And if I was liking it, they didn't have products available to purchase. They had very limited stock also. So that's why I was very disappointed. Like I was not very excited for Morphe in general. Okay, this mini set also came with its own triangle puff. I have my Pakexara puff, but since this has come, let's try this out. Morphe is another brand that focuses on beauty tools a lot. Like they have so many brushes and tools were there. वो सारे थे, but मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं थी beauty tools की, तो I didn't purchase any beauty tools. This is a good quality sponge. I'm gonna take some baking powder at the back of my cap. ये इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है. Morphe is not in India. It came over. आया था बीच में, आई थिंक उसका भी कुछ इतना हाइप नहीं हुआ. आई लाइक द शेप ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल पफ. लाइट वेट, द पाउडर इज नाइस. ओके, प्रो टिप, इंस्टेड ऑफ नाउडेज डस्टिंग अवे माय बेकिंग पाउडर, आई जस्ट प्रेस इट इनटू माय स्किन. दिस जस्ट हेल्प्स टू मेक माय मेकअप मोर लॉन्ग वेयरिंग. एंड सिंस आई हैव गॉन ओवर द कंसीलर ऑन टॉप ऑफ माय आईज, मैं उधर भी प्रेस कर रही हूँ. इज मॉर्फी इन इंडिया यू गाइस? लेट मी नो. ओके, द बेकिंग पाउडर इज एक्चुअली रियली नाइस. इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट एंड अच्छे से spread हो गया मतलब स्किन में. I don't know if it will give me flashback, but it's not overly drying. It's nice and I like the sponge also. Next question. How did you manage your expenses in the US? So US was my biggest trip of 2024 और मुझे last तक लगा भी नहीं था I will be able to do it in 2024. It was on my bucket list, but मुझे घर में इतना खर्चा हो गया एंड घर में इतना टाइम भी चला गया कि यूएस वीजा के लिए आई वाज लाइक पता नहीं अपॉइंटमेंट मिलेगा नहीं. आई टोल्ड यू ना इन द पैकिंग ब्लॉग आल्सो, हर चीज एकदम लास्ट मिनट पे हो गई. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक कूल, लेट्स गो. सो आई डिडंट हैव अ बजट इन माइंड. आई वाज जस्ट लाइक ओके, योलो, यू ओनली लिव वंस. एंड वंस आई वेंट टू यूएस आल्सो, आई रियलाइज्ड कि आई डोंट सी माई सेल्फ गो बैक टू दीज प्लेसेस अनलेस आई हैव वर्क और सम अदर अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट टेक्स मी टू यूएस एंड देन प्रॉब्ली आई विल गो इन एंड अराउंड. बिकॉज ऐसा कुछ मुझे एकदम ऐसा एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी नहीं लगा अनलेस अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ग्रैंड कैनियन एक्सपीरियंस व्हिच वाज ब्यूटीफुल. सो you know, a lot of people are obsessed with New York. They're like, oh, मैं कब वापस जाऊंगी, कब वापस जाऊंगी. For me, that is still Europe. I think Europe over US for me as a traveler, because I just feel like Europe does have that old world charm. The food quality is so much better. The people talk in their native language, which I really enjoy, you know. So वो सारी चीजें तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे तुम यूरोप में एंटर करो ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ भाई छुट्टी पे आए. यूएस में एंटर करने के बाद मुझे छुट्टी वाला वाइब नहीं आ रहा था कोई कहीं पे भी. I would say even LA was like, it was nice, it was very bougie, but it was okay. Like I wouldn't want to go back anywhere in the US. My budget and my expense was, no, I can't say I don't want to go anywhere in the US, because I want to go to places like Brazil, I want to go to South America. There are other places in the US also. Of course, मैं खाली typical जगहों पे गई थी. A lot of y'all said कि better than New York is San Francisco. So I will inshallah in the future, if I can, go to like other places in US and explore it further, because I have a US visa, so might as well use it. But yeah, I think I didn't find anything super wow about it. My expenses, I was paying for myself. Everybody else on the trip was paying for themselves. Kainat was only with us for 2 days, so हमारा हिसाब तो उधर ही फटाफट से हो गया था. But when it comes to Purnima and me, हमारा हिसाब अभी तक बचा हुआ है. We use Splitwise to like split it, but आजकल Splitwise पे also you can only put 4 expenses and then you have to pay for the app. So I was thinking I'll do an Excel sheet and then just do it. Y'all think I pay for everything. I think because y'all see me use my card everywhere, and that was because मेरा Forex card is universal. I have all the currencies on my Forex card. Purnima's Forex card was not working because she got it from India before she went to Canada, and this time she tried to refill it in Canada. उसको कुछ Thomas Cook का Forex card है. It was not from a bank. So the Thomas Cook people were like, नहीं आप सिर्फ इंडिया से फ्लाइट करोगे तो ही आपको Forex card पे refill कर सकते हो. That was a very stupid policy we came to know right before the trip. So I was like, chill, no problem. I will pay for everything, and then we'll like split it. So that was how we like managed our expenses. I kept reloading the Forex, and she can just pay me in my India bank account. So that's how we'll be doing our expenses from the US trip. I think it was very expensive for sure. I wouldn't say US was cheap in any way. One of the most expensive trips I've ever taken, not just in this year. I think it was one of the most expensive trips जहाँ खुद पे अकेले इतना ज़्यादा खर्चा हो गया, because taxes are very high in US. Like everything has taxes. So even when you're shopping for makeup and stuff, there's tax and you don't get tax refund. Like in Europe, you get tax refund on your shopping, or anywhere in Singapore या कहीं पे भी चले जाओ, you get tax refund. You don't get tax refund in US. So taxes are there. Plus they are very, very aggressive about their tipping culture. Like you have to tip in US. It's not like an optional thing, because if you don't tip, they can bully you also. So that also I found a little offensive. I was like, bro, it's optional. Like it's उधर लिखा भी होता है no tip, but if you don't give a tip, then they come and ask you what happened, why are you not tipping, you know. They'll put out, either they can be very sympathetic about it or they'll be bullish about it. So we've been treated in both ways over there. That was not fun, and that made me feel like, okay, ऐसा यूरोप में तो नहीं होता है. यूरोप में they do like, you know, fancy restaurants, they'll bring bread baskets for you or something like that, and they'll charge you €2 for the bread, which is considered as tip, which mostly I think goes to the serving staff. So it's always optional to tip, which if you like the service, we've always tipped if we like the service. In India also, if I love the service, I tip my valets and all. I think वो दिल से आना चाहिए rather than be like a gun to your head. But yeah, all these places you end up spending a lot of money. Definitely very expensive, not a budget trip. A lot of you asked me कितना खर्चा हुआ. मैंने honestly अभी तक मैं Forex card की statement के साथ बैठी भी नहीं हूँ to see कितना खर्चा हुआ जब से मैं आई हूँ. I've just been catching up with life and work and everything else, because immediately I went to Northeast, and after I came back from Northeast, it's Christmas time, so I got to get my house ready for Christmas, my first Christmas in my home. And yeah, so the next question is asking me this: how was your trip to Meghalaya, and did you come to Siliguri and visit Sikkim and Darjeeling? So my trip to Meghalaya was beautiful. I fell in love with Meghalaya the minute I reached there. So I landed at Guwahati airport, right? So the minute the car entered Meghalaya, the first lake I saw was really pristine, like clear, like crystals, and sun was shining, and the reflection was exactly like crystal clear reflection in the water. And I was like, oh my god, what is this? Like, what is this? And we went to this random resort and ate food, and वहाँ पे भी ऐसा ना पूरा stairs थे नीचे जाने, Orchid Resort. वहाँ पे नीचे stairs है to go down and, you know, just have a view of the lake, and it's stunning. Like it's beautiful. I fell in love the minute I entered Meghalaya. The food is good. The people are sweet. The people dress so well. I stayed at Courtyard by Marriott, and the staff was so sweet, so sweet. Like the sweetest staff I've ever met. Like, you know, this was my first time properly getting hosted in Northeast India. Like जहाँ पे मैं stay कर रही हूँ in hotels and stuff. तो मैं पहले गई हूँ, but I've not stayed in hotels in Northeast. So this was my first time staying in hotels, and just like staff everywhere, so sweet, so beautiful. I loved it. My time in Meghalaya was beautiful. I would go back and back and back again. The nature over there is unlike anything I have ever seen before. Literally जब मैं गई तभी मुझे realize हुआ कि रीत को इसलिए क्यों बाली एकदम underwhelming लगा था, because Bali has nothing on Meghalaya. Meghalaya is untouched beauty. You have to trek a lot. You have to go. There are seasons also because it rains so much. उधर इतनी बारिश होती है तो हर चीज हर बार accessible नहीं होती. So you need somebody to guide you, which is why you should follow Reet on Instagram because he tells you like the best months to visit and which month what place opens up. So the time I went properly, these places had opened up और वहाँ पे gypsy भी जा रही थी off road करने क्योंकि I'm not a trekker, you all know me. I can't walk so many mountains and all. But he made me walk and we went to really nice places and you will see everything in the vlog. But it was stunning. Okay, I think this vlog should be up before this is up, but I don't know the order of posting, so don't count me on that. For brows, I have the e.l.f. brow pencil, which I'm sure I'm gonna love, so I'm not using this. Today, I'm using the Refi brow tint because this is expensive and this is so cute. I mean, look at that brush. It's like Gol Matol brush, and this Gol Matol brush is perfect. Like मैंने Sephora में swatch किया था and then I purchased it, and it's like a mascara for your brows, but it tints it and it also gives you like setting. मतलब वो set कर देता है आपके brows को. मैंने use किया and then I purchased it. I liked it. And मुझे ऐसे brow gels बहुत पसंद है because I have full brows, so sometimes I just need to comb through them, give them a little color, and I'm good. If you haven't seen our Meghalaya videos, our shorts, our reels, our YouTube videos, check everything out because you'll fall in love if you have never been. This question also asks if I've been to Sikkim and Darjeeling. Not this time. I only did 2 days in Meghalaya, which was very less. I will go back again. And I did 5 days in Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal, unfortunately, I was sick, so I didn't get to explore as much. But Sikkim and Darjeeling, inshallah, next time. I think I'll do them in summers because मुझसे winter ज़्यादा extreme handle नहीं होता. वो हम सीख चुके हैं. These are the amount of blushes that Sarah has got when Sarah already has drawer भर के blushes. Brushes भी drawer भर के actually. First, we got the Milk Makeup Jelly Blush. Obsessed. It's so pretty, you guys. Viral for a reason. So good. If Milk is not available in India, but if it comes, I want to try the dupe. Oh yeah, Milk has come to Sephora. But if you can get your hands on this, please get this. If you can't get your hands on this, I'm going to try the dupes and tell you all which dupe is as close as possible because a lot of brands have duped it already. And बहुत कम product मिलता है. My only complaint is कि भाई $18-20 का product है कुछ and बहुत कम, like इतना ही मिल रहा है आपको. But the stain is beautiful. The stain is stunning. It's like, it's so long wearing. The best thing is it's lightweight. It's water-like. It looks very natural. This is the color Burst. Looks very natural. All the colors are very nice and it's long wear. It just, you know, I wore it in Meghalaya also. Subah lagaya, raat tak it was on my face and it just looks so natural and nice. Then obsessed with the NYX Buttermelt blush. I did a shots on this also. Not yet available in India, but jab aayega, please get the shade Back in Butter. It's the darkest color they have and Purnima told me this was viral on TikTok. So I got this shade only and what a chumeshwari color for like brown skin. Beautiful. Just very difficult to use because थोड़ा सा लगाया ना इतना ज़्यादा लग के आता है. So please use it at the back of your hand. थोड़ा लेके blend करना. You can overdo this very easily. So loved this also. Then I've got my hands on the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blushes. These were the ones which were viral on the Sunset Blush Technique जो मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया. मुझे करना था अपने पैकेट सारा blushes के साथ. But दूसरे लोगों ने इतना कर लिया कि मैं दूसरों की वीडियो से क्या मतलब अच्छा मैं क्या करूँ? Like people were only using Fudge Me Not and Turkish Delight and doing the Sunset Blush Technique. So then I was too late to the trend as always. I got like 3 colors in this. I got the shade Copper Etiquette. This actually I got for Sabrina because she's like on the fairer skin tone. So on her it will look so nice and pretty. Very like lightweight peachy undertone. And then these are really bright colors. So this I got for me to try the Sunset Blush जो आज हम साथ में try कर सकते हैं. Gorge Orange and Come in Hot Pink. This is literally उन लोग का banner पे भी Ulta Beauty पे वो Sunset Blush का photo था. So that's what we'll do. Basically it's like mixing pink and orange blushes. I mean Fudge Me Not and Turkish Delight are not so pink. So I think you get more of a natural sunset blush in those colors. These are really like bright colors, like very bright pink and bright orange. Like look at the colors. These are such bright colors that I'm sure कि इसमें आपको वो ombre अच्छे से दिख के आएगा. It's liquid. I've already powdered my face, but that's how we roll. So I'll do orange and pinky. Okay, I'm gonna take a fresh brush to blend this. Need like a, okay, I'll use this Sigma Beauty. Sigma है ना ये? नहीं, Cuffs and Lashes. Ooh, the orange is much more pigmented than the pink. It's very pigmented. But yeah, when the two colors mix, it properly looks like sunset. They're very pigmented blushes. Very pretty. Like actually sunset के जो colors होते हैं ना sky में वैसा ही लग रहा है. Like exactly like that. Nice. Very nice. I mean, I don't think it makes a difference which one you put आगे पीछे because दोनों blend हो जाएंगे एक दूसरे के अंदर. काफी pigmented blushes है. And you'll get those hues of sunset. That's the whole vibe of the blush. Oh my god. These are not natural in any way. They are not natural. They are full glam. आज के event पे पता नहीं मेरा makeup कैसा दिखना है. I'm going to the K beauty event जो 4 बजे शुरू हो रहा है और मैं 3:30 तक इधर ही हूँ. That's how we roll. Okay, just to tone it down for me, I will put some setting powder. Okay, very pretty, very pigmented. I mean, I would not do 2 dots of this. I would do 1 dot, and that would be my normal flush of color. Can you wear this on a daily glam? I'm sure you can if you just like tone it down with quantity. Very pretty blushes, very pigmented. They are available at a discount in India also. Like it's not that expensive in India, so I will link them for you नीचे. You can get something subtle. Like मैंने बहुत ये pop-up colors उठाए because मुझे ये video बनाना था. But आप लोग कुछ subtle भी ले सकते हो. Plus मेरे पास subtle इतने ज़्यादा blushes है कि I didn't need it, so I didn't pick up anything subtle. I'm now just gonna powder the under eye area to brighten it again. And you know what I'll do? I'll use the Huda Beauty's pink powders. Come here. ये मुझे PR में आया. This is not from US, and I'll just press it. At this point, I feel like I need setting spray because there's just so much product. And for setting spray, I have 2 over here with me. I have the holy grail of holy grails of so many makeup artists, the Urban Decay's All Nighter setting spray. This is one spray that I've heard so much, but मुझे कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि I should buy like a 4,000-5,000 rupee setting spray. But this time I was like, okay, I'm gonna invest in this because अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा shoots पे जाती हूँ and I wear my makeup for really long hours, so I wanted like a waterproof, really long wearing spray. I purchased this and I also got this Chotu one size on till dawn mattifying waterproof spray. This is also another viral brand that is there. It's Patrick Starr's brand. He's a makeup artist. It's there on Sephora in India. I got mini in this and full size in this because फिर मैं travel कर सकती हूँ. दोनों की properties same है. Both are like mattifying waterproof setting sprays and both have really good reviews. So today I thought I'll try the Urban Decay one because holy grail of holy grails and my first time trying it out. Yeah, it's a nice spray bottle. Feels really good. I don't think you need that much product also with it. It has a very strong like alcohol smell that I won't deny, but I think you need alcohol in your setting sprays if you want to make it so long wearing. You can't have a non-alcoholic setting spray. And I'm going to take my sponge and pick up. Just fix everything in place. This blush is so overpowering that I need a very lightweight lipstick. Blush is pretty though. Okay, I need something on the lips. Our lips are looking barren. Okay, for lips, we have so many products. Lip products तो मैंने काफी खरीदे हैं. The first thing I purchased is this NYX Lip Lingerie in this shade Sizzling. I got 2 in the same shade for Mummy and me. Mummy loves this lip formula. Even I love this lip formula. It's NYX's Lip Lingerie Double XL. It's available in India. I love the color Low Cut. तुम लोग ने मुझे Universal Studios के दिन पे पूछा था which is the lip you were wearing. I'll pop a photo over here. It's the shade Low Cut. It's always sold out on Nykaa. It's that great. It's this perfect cool toned brown color and looks so beautiful on deeper skin tones. This is a perfect like cool toned brown. This is a nice cherry pink color. Mummy loves such colors, so I picked up 2 because whatever she uses, then she has it with her, and she finishes stuff also. That's the best thing about my mother. She buys something and she finishes it. She's not like me, like khareedte raho. She finishes whatever she purchases. I showed you all the lip oils, the lip balm. Then I got I got Fenty Beauty's lip liner in the shade Traced Out. This is their Traced Out lip liner in the shade Extra Thigh, and it's a proper cool toned brown lip color. And with this, I was using this combination that I fell in love with. This is their Gloss Bomb stick in the shade Hot Chocolate, and this formula of their Gloss Bomb stick, I'm sold. Like I'm sold. Take all my money. I'm gonna get all the shades next time because it's so freaking good. Like I did not think it was gonna be this good. It's perfect. It's glossy. It's pigmented. In fact, I'm gonna use it today because it will go well with my outfit. And अगर आप लोग ने देखा होगा US में, I was only using like fall colors, like browns. I'm so into browns these days. I think they are very, very attractive. But I think with this top, this color will look better. I'm first swatching the Fenty Beauty Traced Out. This was something the Sephora artist actually recommended that I get for my skin tone. It's very creamy, very cool toned. I'm not a fan of cool toned browns on me, but actually this looks so good. It's very neutral and it's very long wearing. Like अगर आपकी lipstick भी चली जाएगी, this will stay on your lips. दिखेगा नहीं इतना through camera. But yeah, I was wearing this every day in the US. Like even in LA, आप लोग ने देखा होगा this color on my lips was this only. And with this, like there are two options that I can go for. So one would be the gloss stick, which is something I'll use today, and then another option is something Kainat was using in when she was with me. So this is what the gloss stick looks like. It's you don't need the lip liner, okay? But I'm using it today because I wanted long wearing. Look at that pigment, like one swipe, so creamy, so glossy, color's beautiful. It's like hot chocolate met burgundy somewhere in between, like a thoda sa wine spill ho gaya hoga wo hot chocolate mein, and wo color hai. The smell is also very fruity and delicious. So nice, like so nice. Fenty Beauty launches anything and I'm sold. Like mere paas almost sub launches hai unke. Yeah, I think I have everything from their launches and I'm so happy with everything I own from Fenty. Superb, like I love it. Like I'm obsessed with the formula. The gloss is the perfect amount of shine. It's not overly glossy. There's enough pigment that you don't need a lipstick and then you need this, so you don't need a lot of layers. Some unique formula only she launches. Anyway, we have Sizzlin, which I told you is a pinky color. Then we also have, oh, I forgot to show you. अभी जो बच गया मैं quickly आप लोग को बता देती हूँ before I move on to my eye makeup. This is what Kainat was wearing when she met me. This is the Odyssey lip gloss from Milk Makeup. They had an offer that if I purchased 2 products, I would get some freebies. So I did get some freebies from them. This is also a very lightweight lip gloss. I see myself wear this on an everyday basis with a lip liner because it's slightly peachy undertones, so it will like wash me out if I wear it just as it is. या तो अगर winter के time पे I'm very fair, like much lighter than what my skin complexion usually is, it looks really glazed and juicy. Only drawback, not long lasting. Like this will not last on your lips very long, but you get a good amount of quantity of the product. Like it's so much bigger than the blush. Like look at the blush and look at the lip gloss. Like it's more quantity. That I really like. I will quickly give you a swatch of NYX's Sizzling. Nice cherry red color. What a beautiful shade. I mean, look at that. Anybody would look good with this shade. Like anybody. Super. And in formulas, this lipstick's formula is so good, so comfortable and long wearing and matte and all of that good stuff. Then in my Pitara, I'm searching. Then I've got Morphe's Drip Glass. This is in the shade Unbreakable Brick. So Mars Cosmetics recently launched their Drip, literally the same name, I think, Drip High Shine Lip Gloss, something like this. And I want to compare the two and see if they are literally like identical dupes. This is Morphe and this one also is viral on TikTok. So Purnima said, carrot. She was like my shopping partner in LA. Can you see? So pretty. This would have also looked so good today. Very cherry pink. Okay, one more blush that I was wearing in US. So pure US mein actually I was not wearing the Pack Exara blushes because Kainat met me on the first day and I have not ever met Kainat to give her my Pack Exara launch because madam doesn't come to India. So I gave her my Pack Exara blush that I carried on the trip. I carried Turkish Delight. And so on the third day I purchased the Say liquid blush, the dewy blush in the shade Chili. So pure trip pe I only had this one blush with me. That was the Say liquid blush. And it's very, very long wearing, also very juicy. Okay, so this formula actually reminded me of one of the formulas we were testing during the Pack Exara launch when they gave me so many testers. One of my testers looked like literally, जब मैंने पहली बार लगाया, I was like, my tester literally was like this. Like it gives you this jelly feeling and jelly goes almost into liquidy and बहुत sticky वाला feeling आता है. So I was not sure how people would like this formula, so I did not want to go ahead with that. I wanted like a proper dewy liquid blush. So we canned on that formula. I did not approve that formula for our blushes, but this one is very similar to that sample we had. It immediately threw me in nostalgia. It's a good blush, but it is very dewy. So oily skin might not like it. My skin was not oily in US, so now I don't know. I will go in a dry climate and probably use this again, but I enjoyed using it in US. It's the shade Chili. Now for my eyes, I've got my classic NYX Epic Ink eyeliners. I got the shade Black, which I love, and I got a new shade which is skin tone, literally whitish, creamish color. It's called Marshmallow. Just for being experimental with my looks, I thought I would get it. And I'm going to draw a wing liner quickly because I'm getting late for my event. I want to do something on the eyes. I should, right? My eyes are looking very bland. Okay, I removed my Gloss Boss stick because I think it was too overpowering with the blush. I'm gonna try the Odyssey lip gloss and see if that goes, the Milk Makeup one. Yeah, this is nice, like subtle. See how it's so peachy? I would not like this without makeup. That's the thing about Milk Makeup. I think उनके जो shades है वो इतने inclusive नहीं है for brown skin. Lip color wise, like blushes are nice and cute. I still have my Fenty Beauty lip liner and उसके ऊपर ये लगाया है मैंने. I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of the Drip Glass from Morphe just for some pink kick. So pretty. This color is very pretty. लिपस्टिक के साथ I almost never go through with the lipstick I first apply. I always remove and change. इसलिए जितनी बार लोग मुझे लिपस्टिक पूछते हैं, मुझे याद भी नहीं फाइनली मैंने कौन सी लगाई थी. Jutsi, my lips look very nice. I love it. Now I like it. Now for eyes, I just put some dark brown eyeshadow from this Anastasia palette, the darkest brown Cypress Amber. And uske upar, I'm going to try a burgundy mascara for the first time ever. I've never used a burgundy mascara. Recently, Benefit launched their Bad Gal Bang in so many colors. But then I saw this in Target in US. This is the L'Oreal's Voluminous Original Burgundy Mascara. And abhi ye pehli baar aaya, I think. Kabhi tak India mein nahi aaya hai. So I thought I would purchase and see. And I'm sure L'Oreal does bring their mascaras to India eventually. So try karun baguya आपण कसं वाटतंय. आणि Essence. Okay, so mascara. I went mad when I saw Essence. Now you do get Lash Princess very easily in India. You know, if you're an OG Sara squad, I and Pooja have been obsessed with Lash Princess. Essence Lash Princess is I think OG goodness. And जब मैंने YouTube channel start किया था, I first used it, I loved it, and then India में discontinue हो गया था. तो जब मैं abroad कोई दुबई या कहीं गई थी, I saw it and I picked up like 5 for Pooja and me to have for the entire year. And now this time also I saw it and I picked up like 3. I picked up a lot and then I was like, ठीक है अभी इंडिया में मिल रहा है. So on Nykaa, it's there. So you definitely get your hands on Essence Lash Princess. Hands down the best washable mascara. So voluminous, so long wearing, doesn't crust and flake. It's the best. I mean, it's so underrated and yet it go like they don't make enough of it. I feel like demand ज़्यादा है, supply कम है. And पहले मैं winged eyeliner बनाती हूँ. Oh, I bought this also, the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I also got the NYX Thicket Stick-It Brow Mascara. I love my NYX Cosmetics brow products, so I purchased these. I love my NYX liners also. I'm gonna draw my wing with this, and I got this mascara too to try it out. The Maybelline's waterproof the Falsies Surreal Mascara. I don't know if this has come to India yet, but I'm going to try this in an Instagram reel and see ki kaisa, like, is it really Falsies like, because Maybelline's Falsies range of mascara is my favorite. So I wanted to try this one. This is the Surreal one, new in the market. So I think yeah, that's it. Like, isse zyada, I mean, almost a full face of makeup and more was purchased. Let's try this burgundy mascara. Where did it go? Okay, things which scare you but you can't live without. Things that scare me but I can't live without. I don't think I'm dependent on any such thing in general. I can live without lots of the things I have today because all of this came to me much later in life. I've lived life without all these things. Yeah, I mean, people for sure. All the people I know today I love, and I don't think I can do without them. And it's scary. Like, I think for me the biggest fear is to lose the people I love. So yeah, that would be the biggest fear I have. This mascara is pretty. Purnima told me it would look good on brown skin, and it actually does. Like, my brown skin tone is actually getting enhanced with it. I don't know how volumizing it is to be visible on camera. Almost looks dark brown, but nazdeek आओगे तो दिखेगा कि it is burgundy. Alright guys, this burgundy mascara is really pretty. You can't tell on camera that I've applied, but it is definitely there and I can tell. And I think if I did like a cherry red lip and a cherry red mascara, it would look so nice. But my top is cherry red, so I think it goes really nicely. I'm very happy with how the makeup turned out. My favorite products have to be the e.l.f.'s concealer because under eyes are looking so good. All the lip products I purchased, I loved. I loved the drip glass thing from Morphe. बहुत अच्छा है. Milk Makeup का Odyssey lip gloss you can skip on. I think it's not that long wearing. Trust me, पैसा बचा के Fenty Beauty का gloss stick ले लो, बहुत अच्छा है. Nykaa पे है. I will link it for you नीचे. I will wear my makeup and understand how actually good the Urban Decay spray is. And yeah, I love my I'm From toner already. I told you. So बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे already पसंद थी या viral थी, and I bought it. And most of these products are viral for a reason, apart from the Kosas concealer, in my opinion, personal opinion. But yeah, I loved it. I loved everything that I tried. It's so pretty. I also got like these minis of the Batiste dry shampoo. This is one of my favorite dry shampoos ever of all time. I got them in all the fragrances there is. There's tropical, there's dark hair brown, there's original, and then there's blush. So all of the variants I purchased because ये मेरे को बहुत useful पड़ता है जब मैं travel करती हूँ. मेरे बाल बहुत जल्दी, मेरा scalp oily हो जाता है, and then I need dry shampoo. So minis are good to travel with. That's about it. That's everything that I shopped, and like an overview on my 2024. What a year it has been. One of the questions asked me what was the biggest lesson I learned in 2024. Taught me कि good things don't last forever, bad things also don't last forever. That's I think the biggest lesson I've learned. कि हर चीज आती है जाती है आती है जाती है. लाइफ चलती रहेगी, किसी के लिए भी रुकती नहीं है. तो एक जगह बैठ के to moan over something or to be extremely happy over something is not needed. Just go with the flow. Just keep going and life will keep moving, you know. There will be good phases, there will be bad phases. It's never going to be like this for anybody. And for me, definitely this year was not like this. It was like this full time. So I think the biggest lesson I learned was that nothing will last. Everything will move. Just keep going. With that, let's end 2024 on a very positive note. I hope you had a good 2024. And even if you didn't, there's a new year, a new start, a new beginning. Thak thak shuru ho gayi hai. This is my time to sign off. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. All the links to the products I've used and similar products will be in the description box for you to check out. Definitely check them out. If you click through these links, I earn a little bit of commission. That'll be really helpful for me. So thank you so much for all the support you have shown me in 2024. And inshallah, y'all will keep it coming in 2025 too, because I need y'all. I need y'all forever. Okay, y'all are my biggest support. Just like I entertain y'all, your comments make my day. So please don't stop them from coming. For this, Saraswat Shout goes to Zone with Benefit. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video, Sarah Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.